got no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane, white hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. Wednesday night just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night it's easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane, white hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me, I'm my worst.
This is a part of our morning routine. We just come, sit our MacBooks next to each other. Oh, damn. One of the very first things I do before I even eat is check the YouTube analytics, because what? It's our job, okay? We're YouTubers, period. Shout out to our lovelies.
These sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. Like a drive in the sun, windows down, music on. We've got nothing but time. Feel the breeze in my head, baby, we be cruising. Oh, oh, oh. Na na na, na na na, na na na, na na na. Sunshine mixed with a little hurricane, white hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my.
What time is it?
It is 11:05.
Okay, it's 11:05 a.m. I'm about to get started filming some of these products that I want to make, but I just need to let y'all know that if you see me struggling and having like a mental breakdown throughout this video, just know that I'm in the middle of doing so. If you know how that goes, just bear with me, okay? Anyways, let's get started. Here's some lunch, juice pouches.
Nisi Poo is leaving us. Where you going, babe?
I'm going to see my little Wayne sister and Keenan.
Aww.
I love you, Wayne, and my niece Keenan. You're the greatest ones.
Come on, my love.
Okay, see you later.
See you later.
Rockin' it when I be in your vicinity. All style synergy, recognize symmetry. Gon' try to injure me, broke them down chemically. Ain't the number 10 MC, talking about how bad
Hey yo, what's up? All right. Guess what just arrived, y'all? All of my jars. Inventory, okay?
Wait, that's
Next day shipping with Uline. Love to see it.
I'll show you some cool stuff.
I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Look at all these packing peanuts. That's how you know they care about your jars getting delivered safely. I love it. Not gonna love all the mess it makes, but it's okay. Pieces, 8-ounce jars, okay? And I'll leave all the pricing and all that info in the description box so you guys can go ahead and get you some inventory from Uline. I like them because they do next day business shipping, and they even ship same day if you order before 3 p.m. So it's lit. Okay. Open it up so y'all can see them. This is what the 8-ounce jars look like, you guys. I love these jars. Like, they're glass and they have a metal lid. And honestly, I just feel like it looks so professional when I put my labels on here and when the product is inside. I just really like the way glass looks. If you want to get plastic, you can definitely get plastic because it's cheaper to ship. But I like glass, so shop with Uline, okay? Okay, so here are my 4-ounce glass jars. And here are the 8-ounce so that y'all can see the size comparison. And let me flip the camera so that you can see. So you guys will see what I'm planning to put in these jars soon.